I believe the MMV, which was needs-driven from the start, offers some future examples, especially in your more recent work on access and delivery. Your mission of reducing deaths from malaria brings you face to face with these issues. Even the best product does no good if it fails to reach those in need. Furthermore, irrational prescribing can shorten the lifespan of the products you bring to market, and thus reduce the return on your investment. Your work in this area, including initiatives to gather market intelligence, has already yielded a new understanding of barriers to access in different African settings. Price governs the choices of the poor. This is the reality of the market for malaria medicines. When health services in the public sector are weak, people will obtain drugs wherever they can find them. As studies show, available drugs are often monotherapies, or they are ineffective, of substandard quality, or fake. Again, this is a function of weak health systems, weak or non-existent regulatory capacity, and poverty. As a result, the treatment of malaria is a largely uncontrolled and unregulated over-the-counter hit or miss mess. For me, one of the most encouraging trends in public health is the power of commitment to unleash the best of human ingenuity. I admire the AM/FM. When I saw this acronym at first, I said, oh, this has something to do with my radio. I admire the Affordable Medicines Facility for Malaria Initiative as a brilliant innovation. This is the kind of hard-nosed pragmatism that gets results in public health. It looks at the reality of conditions in the developing world, identifies the forces that shape the reality, and then outsmarts them. If price affects access, make the price of the best products competitive, and thus drive ineffective, substandard, or counterfeit products off the market. Ladies and gentlemen, let me conclude with a personal observation. Since taking office in early 2007, exactly 34 months, but so what you say 3 years is correct, actually. I'm counting it by the month. One of the most rewarding experiences for me has come during visits to endemic African countries, where I have seen the empty beds in the malaria wards and heard the personal joy of doctors, nurses, and parents. These experiences mean more to me than statistics. Those the statistics too give cause for optimism. Finally, the efforts of ministries of health, R&D, multiple initiatives, and multiple partners are beginning to turn this disease around. The benefits are likewise multiple and sometimes unexpected. During my visit to several countries with Techi Yamada and with Ray Chambers, the Special Envoy for Malaria, in some African countries, the availability of rapid diagnostic tests for malaria is actually contributing to a more rational use of antimalarials and also to better detection of pneumonia, with the result that childhood deaths from pneumonia are also going down. So this is a fascinating and exciting time to be working on malaria, but also still a very challenging time. Constant evolution and adaptation are the survival mechanisms of the microbial and parasite worlds. With your proven track record and bright future, we will be counting on MMV to help us outsmart and outmaneuver a parasite that still causes so much suffering and takes so many lives. May its days be numbered. Thank you.